This section should give a short introduction to the purpose of mooring, knowledge of different mooring arrangements. The purpose of the mooring system is to position the ship correctly during the cargo loading or unloading operation. Mooring lines may also assist in heaving the ship alongside a berth and can be used to assist in unberthing. The mooring system has to maintain the ship's position against forces that will be trying to move it, and which may be caused by one or more of the following: wind, current, surge due to passing ships, waves and swell, change of freeboard, changes of underkeel clearance. Head and stern lines are relatively ineffective in mooring vessels compared with breast and spring lines. They are found in use simply because of the present layout of mooring points at pier jetties. The picture shows a typical mooring pattern at a tanker terminal. Breast lines should be oriented as perpendicular as possible to the longitudinal centre of the ship, and as far aft and forward as possible. Stern lines are mooring lines leading ashore from the after end or poop of a ship, often at an angle of about 45 degrees to the fore and aft line. A mooring bollard is a vertical post to which the eye of a mooring line can be attached. This is a guide for a mooring line, which enables the line to be passed through a ship's bulwark or other barrier, or to change direction through a congested area without snagging or fouling. The roller type is the only type recommended to be used with fibre ropes. This is a winch, capable of line storage on drums, which has the ability to withstand tension and hold the tension moorings by means of suitable brakes. This is a winch, capable of line storage on drums, which has the ability to withstand tension and hold the tension moorings by means of suitable brakes. A pedestal roller fairlead usually operates in a horizontal plane. Its purpose is to change the direction of the lead of a mooring or other line on a ship's deck. This is a winch, capable of line storage on drums, which has the ability to withstand tension and hold the tension moorings by means of suitable brakes. A mooring bollard is a vertical post to which the eye of a mooring line can be attached. This is a guide for a mooring line, which lifts the line over obstructions on the deck. Headlines are mooring lines leading ashore from the bow, often at an angle of about 45 degrees to the fore and aft line. A deeply grooved drum, shaped to engage the links of a chain cable, often used as a description for the whole anchor winch combination. This is a winch, capable of line storage on drums, which has the ability to withstand tension and hold the tension moorings by means of suitable brakes. A fitting for securing a chain, consisting of two parallel vertical plates mounted on a base, with a pivoting bar or pawl which drops down to bear on a chain link. A pedestal roller fairlead usually operates in a horizontal plane. Its purpose is to change the direction of the lead of a mooring or other line on a ship's deck. The purpose of the ship anchoring system is to hold the ship safely in an offshore position without the use of the propulsion system. At a single point mooring, the tanker is secured to the buoy using specially supplied moorings. These moorings are attached to a swivel on the buoy, thus permitting the tanker to swing around the buoy in response to wind and tides. Because the ship is only moored at one point, all load is borne by the 1 or 2 mooring lines used. Ship-to-ship transfer requires the mooring alongside offshore of 2 different size ships for the purpose of cargo transfer. Such an operation may take place when one ship is at anchor or when both are underway. In general, the expression includes the approach maneuver, berthing, mooring, hose connecting, safe procedures for cargo transfer, hose disconnecting, and unmooring. The mooring arrangement adopted will depend on the sizes of the ships carrying out the operations and the difference between their sizes. A common method of berthing is for the ship to approach the constant heading ship from the quarter on the side of berthing. On closer approach, she should parallel the course of the constant heading ship, about 50 to 100 meters off. The maneuvering ship should then position itself relative to the constant heading ship. Contact is made by the maneuvering ship reducing the distance by appropriate rudder and engine movement until fenders touch. Multi-buoy mooring is usually located in areas where weather and sea conditions are mild to moderate. The basic layout of such berth is shown with the ship moored in position, using both anchors forward and with stern secured to buoys located around the stern.
Don't forget like, comment, and subscribe Journey at Sea.